Hello children, welcome to Sasu Fun Easy Learning. Today we are going to learn about 3-letter words. So let's start the class. B-O-Y, boy.
Boy.
F-L-Y, fly.
Fly.
I-C-E, eyes.
Eyes.
B-O-X, box.
Box.
B-A-G, bag.
Bag.
B-U-S, bus.
Bus.
J-A-M, jam.
Jam.
R-U-N, run.
Run.
V-A-N, van.
Van.
E-G-G, egg.
Egg.
Thanks for watching. Please like and subscribe our channel and press the bell icon for notifications. See you in next class. Bye bye.